All right. You brought up somewhere you were hanging out in Nannyville for a while. Somebody like Ninja Kid. How did you meet Ninja Kid?
Same vibe. Ninja Kid just heard about SIZZLA in the community because that's Ninja Kid's community. Ojuki, that's his community. You know, and you used to have Ninja Kid and Beige Man and you have Sabato, them and all of them. You know what I say? Link up with Terry Gans with them. So Ninja Kid he used to attend Dunum. Yeah, Ninja Kid is in Nannyville. So Ninja Kid heard about SIZZLA also, and Ninja Kid brought me to Litter in Arrows. So the Ninja Kid first brought me to Arrows. Yeah, Ninja Kid brought me to Arrows. It was really a phenomenal experience, you know what I'm saying? Because there and then I started doing dub plates now, and when Bounty Killer would have all 4 dub plate, 4 songs going out on a dub plate, Litter I say, SIZZLA for the power of that dub plate, yeah. If Terry Gans put out 2 dub plate, Litter I say, SIZZLA for the pan it. And, you know, that was a joy because the same youths you've been inspired by, you're now among them, doing your little thing, growing up, being experienced and making an headway through society in the music, you know what I'm saying? So that's it.
For sure. Another name that I know was earlier on in your career was somebody like Louie Culture. How did you meet
Gangali? Gangali, our father, my brother, everything. Every day we over Gangali yard over Portmore, big up Portmore people. Every day we left Augustown over Gangali yard. Ricky Rudy, you know, Bling Dog, Ricky Rudy, every day. Ricky Rudy, I cook over Louie Culture, we make songs, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we made a lot of songs and a lot of vibes, so big respect, Louie Culture. So a lot of persons don't know that. You see all these veterans, they're a part of SIZZLA whole upbringing in the music. Someone experience been around the block. So it's much easier for you if you listen keenly and take advice. It'd be much better for you. And the complaints from these experienced artists now, we've been hearing them over the years, the complaint they're having in the music. So we know as this generation, when we step forth, we come to set the record straight, move all the problems causing complaints, and we knew the skill as if we've been around the block. So we're just going to make it beautiful and just get it done. So that's it there and then, you know, a lot of columns, you know, the wall, bang.
Definitely, because those are two, whenever you see them on an interview or you talk to them, they always talk about you. And the first name that they mention too is not even SIZZLA. They call you Little One.
Yeah, called SIZZLA Lickless One in our group. Yeah, everybody big and take over SIZZLA. Yeah, what it's joy, it's love, you know, Hebrew Israelite nation.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.